In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Slack notifications in just 5 minutes. This is a quick and straightforward guide to ensure you stay updated with all your important Slack communications. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Slack website. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to slack.com. This is your gateway to managing all your Slack tools efficiently. Once there, you will see a prompt or look for a button that says sign in. Next up, click on the Sign in with Google option. This step is perfect if you have a Google account linked to your Slack. It simplifies the login process, and if you're already signed into your Google account, it makes things even quicker. For those who like to keep things streamlined, this is certainly the way to go. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. The dashboard is the central hub where you manage your Slack workspaces, messages, and notifications. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with the layout. From here, all the magic happens. The next step is to click on your profile. You can typically find your profile icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Clicking here opens up a menu with several options that let you personalize your Slack experience. It's important to know your way around this menu as it holds many customization options. Following that, you'll want to select Preferences. Once you're inside the profile menu, you should see Preferences listed. Clicking on this takes you to a page where you can adjust various settings to your liking. We're particularly interested in the notifications area, but feel free to explore other settings later to tailor Slack precisely to your needs. Now let's focus on enabling notifications. In the Preferences menu, look for and click on Notifications. This section gives you control over how and when you receive alerts about messages, mentions, and any activity relevant to you across your Slack channels. It's a beneficial feature to tailor notifications so you only get what's essential without unnecessary disruption. Finally, search for the option labeled Allow Notifications and click it. Enabling this will allow Slack to send you alerts based on the settings you've previously configured. It's worth noting that notifications are crucial to staying on top of projects and communications, ensuring you never miss out on critical information or updates. And there you have it, you've successfully enabled Slack notifications, keeping you connected and engaged with your team in real time. Make sure to periodically review your notification settings to ensure they align with your workflow requirements. Thanks for watching and happy slacking.